Well, welcome our dear viewers. I'm Emanuela and this is Coherinet TV. Today we are celebrating the International Day for Action for Women's Health, and we're in Iganga district, and we are having, you can see that we are all excited and people are all waiting to see what is happening. And we're going to hear from some people how they feel about celebrating the International Women's Day, Women's Action for Health. Yes, how are you, madam?
I'm okay.
Yes, please. How are you feeling about celebrating today's day? Since it's being a day for celebrating the action towards women's health, what do you think about it?
It's really great because women have been left behind. Their rights have been toiled on. Now that we are standing up for them, it will be a great day.
Well, you can maybe let our viewers know what your name is and what you do.
I'm Kotri Dajamba. I'm a midwife.
Oh yes, thank you so much for having given us your view. Hello, how are you doing?
I'm okay, how are you?
Fine, thank you. What are your names?
Susan Tibere.
You're all looking beautiful. What is your take about today's day? How are you feeling about it? And what do you think about celebrating women's health, or how do you feel about women's health in general?
Yeah, this is a good action. As Coherinet comes up to legalize women's rights, we feel great as health workers because we've been really struggling with women to understand their rights. So when it comes up like this, we feel good as health workers. Our work is they will come to consult us for any consequences or any uncertainties, and their life will become better. So I'm feeling good. Really.
Well, do you think women really know that they have rights over their health, over their bodies?
This is what we are fighting for. Most of the women don't know. So we want to advocate for their rights as well. So when it comes like a gathering, I think some will pick and we shall move on.
Well, thank you so much for having given us your view. Maybe you can let our viewers know what your names are, what you do.
I'm a midwife as well in Kamuli, and I'm Susan Tibere. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Yes, we are still in Iganga district. You can see the stakes are very high, and we are really getting to know, we want to know what fellow women feel about their rights to health. Yes, hello, how are you doing?
I'm fine, how are you?
Fine, thank you.
Yeah.
Your names and what you do and where you come from?
I'm Nabile Lydia. I'm a senior nursing officer for Assistant District Health Officer, Maternal Child Health, Bujiri.
Wow, this is interesting. What do you feel about celebrating today's day?
I feel very good celebrating post-abortal care and legalizing abortions, because we are going to reduce on maternal mortality and morbidity. In the unwanted pregnancies will be taken care of very well, and I feel proud of that.
Okay, well, what do you think about, the laws that we have in our country, yet our women need these services? Yeah. What do you say about it?
The laws are not yet there, because the policy advocates for at least the family planning for girls 15 years and above, and yet physically we are receiving girls as young as 11 years when they have unwanted pregnancy, and they need the support. They need to be helped get to safe abortion, and they continue with their studies or their programs as their parents would wish. So I feel like it is very important that we adjust the law and we work on the women of reproductive health as a whole. That is from 11 years. If a girl comes and wants to be helped with post-abortal care, I think they have a right to receive the service and also to have it safely and come up with their health safe and healthy to continue with their studies. Yeah. Well,
thank you so much for having given us your view. We are still within Iganga, like I told you, and we're getting to know a lot in regards to today's day. And I'm having someone right here. Yes, how are you doing?
Fine, thank you.
What are your names?
I'm Grace Nakato.
Thank you so much for having been here with us. Given today's day, what is it in the communities that do women in the communities really know that they have rights to their reproductive health?
There is still a gap to bridge.
Okay.
This day will help us sensitize, mobilize our fellow ladies to know their reproductive health rights and to help them once they get unwanted pregnancies.
Well, so what is your take? What do you think the government should do, or any other organization like Coherinet should do in regards to supporting women's health?
we should bridge the health gap for girls and women in order to help them to bear with this digital world.
Well, thank you so much for having given us your view. Let's stay tuned. This is still Coherinet TV, and we are in Iganga district, and we will get to have a lot of views about what people think in regards to women's health in our communities. Otherwise, stay tuned. Don't touch your dial. We are still in Iganga, and we have a lot to give you, our viewers. Well, just like I said, we are still in Iganga and we have a lot for you. And I have a gentleman right here, and I really want to know what he thinks, being a man, given that we're celebrating International Day for Action for Women's Health.
My name is Mukos Saleh. Yeah, I do appreciate the program, and you see, in life, when you're okay, when your life is okay, you really feel everything is okay when the system is okay.
Well, do you support your woman maybe going in for family planning or getting post-abortion care? Do you support? Will you support your woman to get us kind of services?
There are two things that, one, I do support after you had taught them or telling them about the effects and what is the goodness of it. Not just telling them that please come and join the family planning without informing them what is the consequences after. Because we have ever seen that sometimes women just come for family planning, then afterwards they get some problems before even telling the gentleman. But to me, I support it is okay. Yeah.
Well, thank you so much for having given us your view about supporting women's rights to health. Thank you so much. Well, this is still Coherinet TV, and we're having a lot to offer for you. We are still here in Iganga district celebrating the International Day of Action for Women's Health. Don't touch it, dial. Thank you so much.